how to log out on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out from Twitter application. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to log out from Twitter, what you can do is simply open up your X application or the Twitter application. Here you should be logged in, right? In order to log out, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. So you can see that profile icon, tap on it. Once you tap on it, here at the very bottom you can see settings and support under the pop-up. So you want to tap on it and you'll get two different options. On here you want to select settings and privacy. Once you're on the settings and privacy, you can see the very first option, that is your account. Tap on it and here you can see account information option. Once you tap on it, at the very bottom you should be able to find the logout option. You can tap on it and go ahead and log out of your Twitter account. So this is how you can log out on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.